P5 number 72, we're asked to construct the standard form of the equation of the specified circle. Right now, the circle has the center at 3 minus 2, and we know one point on the circle at minus 1, 1. Given a center, we need to find the radius, and then we will have our equation for our circle, and everything will be just fine. So, what do we know about the center 3.2 and the point minus 1, 1? Is we know that this distance has to be r. So, if we can calculate the distance between these points, we are in good shape. So let's bust out our distance formula. So the radius is going to be 3 minus our negative 1, right? It's the difference in our x points squared plus our difference in our y's squared, right? So it's going to be minus 2 minus our 1 squared. I apparently didn't write my square root far enough, but that's okay. 3 minus a negative 1. Minus a negative 1 is the same thing as adding a positive 1. So that's going to be 3 plus 1 is 4. That's going to be squared. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 squared. 4 squared is 16. Minus 3 squared is 9. 16 plus 9 is 25, and the square root of 25 is 5. So we have a radius of 5. Given a center and a radius, we can set up our equation, right? Remember, our equation is r squared is equal to x minus our center for our center x plus y minus our center over y squared. So for this particular problem, it's going to be 5 squared is equal to x minus 3 quantity squared plus y minus our negative 2 in our center quantity squared. Now, we can simplify this a little bit by actually doing this square. That'll be 25. Our x minus 3, I want to leave that. This is as simple as this term gets. But for the y, again, minusing a negative is adding the positive, so I can simplify that a little bit by writing this as y plus 2 squared. And that is our equation for our circle.